Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. A little bit late today, as you all know. Thank you very much for sticking with me in the live chat. We've had all kinds of issues this morning, of course, because major updates with Apple and iOS devices, Macs, iPads, everything. Critical updates I needed to push through. So for the security of everything I've put together in the studio, as you can see here, I thought it was the right thing to do to put it right. I apologize for being late, and thank you very much for being in the chat. I tried to keep you informed as I was going along, but thank you very much for being with me while I fixed all those issues. There you go. Lot going on. All right, thank you ever so much. If it's your first time, consider subscribing to the channel. Ring the bell. Let us know you're here with a thumbs up. All right, we've got 10 likes already in the show, which is amazing considering we've just started. So thank you very much indeed. Give us a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it very much indeed. Why you'd give me a thumbs up right now for being late, I don't know, but it just shows you support me and I appreciate it. All right, let's go over to the trading screens right now. Of course, we've missed the opening bell, but what a day yesterday with Apple. Very disappointing with Global Star. We didn't get that confirmation about the satellite connectivity. GSAT all over the place. I sold out, lost quite a bit of money yesterday. If I'd stuck with it, look, you can see I would have been okay. There's a lesson to be learned here. Impulse trading, fear of missing out, FOMO as it's called. Do your research, believe in something and stick with it. If I'd stuck with this, look, Global Star is now going up, and I lost several times with it. You know, what can I say? And now would be the wrong time to buy in, even though it's moving up. Would be the wrong time because it could just be pumping and dumping. So you just don't know. I bought in at the bottom and I sold as it dropped, and that was probably the wrong thing to do. Who knows? We don't know. We'll never know. But end of the day, I bought in. As you can see, we bought in at 182, 186, 186, sold at 174, and now it's up to 179. But of course, that could stop at any point and return. I am holding GSAT long term. Martin Redding, yeah, Martin. I have to say, even though this show is called The Day Trader, my most successful trades, without a doubt, my most successful investments are long term. Do your research, find out what's working, find out what's good, and stick with it and give it time. Trying to day trade in and out on a day is very, very difficult. There was some news yesterday, and we bought and sold and all the rest of it. And look what happened. Now, not only have I lost about $400-500 on this now, I'm now missing out on the gains that may come. They may not. This may drop back. Who knows? But you know, there we go. There's no point me jumping in now. That opportunity, not necessarily gone, but you know, I would now be buying with impulse and emotion, and that's probably a bad thing to do. Just to jump in, just because it's going up now and all the rest of it. That'd probably be a bad thing to do. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Just to jump in for the heck of it, because as soon as that happens, it drops back as it is right now. Look, that sometimes happens. You know, people see it pumping up and they jump in and they lose out. I believe GSAT will pop when FCC approval comes through. Yeah. This is what I believe. This is what we learned yesterday. Kenneth gave some really good information, very good information about the whole thing with GSAT and Apple and so on and so forth. But during the Apple event, obviously we didn't find anything out, and the price dropped and so on, and I decided to take my money elsewhere. But you know what? I think what's needed right now is a bit of consolidation, a bit of no action, bit of letting my portfolio calm down. Let's get rid of those trade limits I've got on my account right now. Let me have a look. Let me see if I can show you my trade limits. I might not be able to. If I go into my account, it will say about my day trades. There we go. Yeah, I'm one day trade away from. I've done 3 day trades. Yeah, I need to clean up my day trades a little bit. Done 3 in a row, and fuel cell GSAT twice, and 1 more, and I get the warning. So I don't want to go into that. I want to keep my account clean. Don't want to push the limits on anything like that. So I'm probably going to be quite quiet on the market for a couple of days, let things settle down, make many more people extra money. PP Hawks just come into TikTok. What do you mean by that? If you'd like to see what I'm trading, click the profile link here and find the YouTube links behind the Instagram icon and come and join us on YouTube. You'll see what we're trading. So what's dropped this morning? I know, let's go through. GSAT, see, look, settle back a bit. There it is. Never trade on emotion, fear of missing out. I learned that first thing, and yesterday I let that get the better of me. Also remember, you cannot take losses on stocks if you get back in 30 days. Okay, let me understand what that is. Also remember, you cannot take losses on stocks if you get back in 30 days. What do you mean by that? Are you talking about from the point of view of a tax position? I agree. Sit back and relax. I'm holding my cash and only making small moves for the next 30 days. That's it. I think I've learned a lot there, and it's very, very important, right? We got a great crowd over there on TikTok. Tap the screen, tax losses. I see what you mean. Thank you very much for that information. Over there on TikTok, if you want to come and join us, tap the screen and your comment will go to the top. But also, if you'd like to see what we're actually trading on, click the profile link here, click the icon, and then click the YouTube link. It's right behind the Instagram icon, and you will be with us in the live chat. That's where you can see our trading screens. Is today the day the market crashes? Well, we could see it. Certainly, at the moment, I'm down 0.47. I think it's time now to just calm everything down. I've been doing a lot of trades, way more trades than I'd like. I mean, yesterday, 3 times I bought in and out of GSAT because I thought it was going to pop, and then it dropped and I bought back in again, and then it started to move and I bought back in again. You know, that is the wrong way to trade. Better to sit on the sidelines and miss opportunity and be conservative a little bit, protect your assets, don't get carried away. So I'm forgetting all my trades, forgetting what I've done, forgetting where I've been. Let's remember, this is my portfolio. I'm up 6.65%. Remember, if I put this money in the bank, I'd have 0.01. So I'm up 0.65%. All right. I'm not selling. And remember, if I don't sell, I don't lose anything. It's when I sell is when I lose. Stop losses. I'm not doing any of that right now. I don't want to do any of that. I don't want to let's put losses in and all the rest of it, because things are going to bounce all over the place. Just going to let things sit there. So Global Star is up 1% today. Amazon is down 1%. Now, if we see not our volatile stocks, our solid staples, things like Amazon, my top 10 stocks. Let's remind ourselves of what they are. Let's calm the market down today. Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla is now in that. Believe it or not, Tesla is now in my top 10. Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google, Microsoft. We now move outside the top 10, but still staples. McDonald's, Walmart. And now we're outside. All right. So if any of these do huge drops, that would be a good thing to invest in. Maybe we shouldn't look at Global Star right now, because if that suddenly shoots to the moon, I will feel frustrated, and I shouldn't. You know, if it does, good luck to everybody who's in it, and Martyn is in it, so we wish him well. Greed. Klus said, Bitcoin is up. This is my portfolio. There are many like it, but this is mine. What do you mean? What do you mean, Klus? Agreed. He said, Klus, I don't think it will. So call crash, but I think will slowly decline. But that's just my opinion. Sit back and relax and don't sell. It will be a time to buy. There it is. There it is. Global Star, look. That's really painful to watch. That is really, really painful to watch. This is life lessons, right? And if I jump in now, you bet your ass it will drop. You know, look at that. I had $2,000 at 180, 174. In fact, less than that. Let's have a look. Let's see my lowest. Look at all this history with it. Ridiculous. 270, 269, 224, 217, 193, 182. My lowest was 186. I bought in at the lowest point. 186. Now it's 182. So sorry, I was not here to talk you out of selling it all. It's painful to watch. It is, because I've never lost on trades. I've only ever sold when I'm down for the benefit of moving into something better. I've never actually lost over fear, stress, and yesterday that's exactly what I did. So I'm not gonna buy in right now, even though you might say what if this goes all the way up? How am I going to feel in an hour from now? Look, 5%. This could be popping. This is what everyone has said. This is what Martyn has said. This is what Kenneth has said. Been there, done that. Yeah, look at that. And of course, my mind's saying to me, buy in, quick. This could go. I mean, if this is all right, Global Stars is going to go to, it's going to double, it's going to triple, it's going to quadruple. It's such a low value stock. It could absolutely, and I'm missing out on all of it. It's horrible. I've never experienced this emotion before, and I guess I can just learn from it. To lose all that yesterday, unnecessarily, and not realise all these gains. Yeah. I mean, let's just do a calculation there for a minute. I need to do it. I need to feel it. I need to feel the pain. Right, I had $2,000 times 6%. Yeah, right now, let's put that into context. It's a good thing to do. Let's put it into context. I've missed out so far on $120, but I lost $400. So, you could argue that I've lost sort of $560, something like that. But remember, I put that money into something else which has made money somewhere else. So there's a balance here, and it's very hard to do that calculation. I'm not clever enough to be able to do that calculation, but I'm sure that I put the money somewhere else, and then in fact I did. I mean, I bought several things, and also I have money in my buying power right now. Let's remember that. But yeah, this is you can't win this market. You can only invest and grow, but you can't beat it. No one is clever enough to do that. What do you think of Takumi Minamino? I've never heard of it. Got 3 coins back at $100. I've only got one cryptocurrency, and that's Bitcoin. Everything else I wouldn't touch with a barge pole, because everything else is Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything else, waste of time. If you want to see my actual trades, my actual money, my actual portfolio, click the profile link, come into YouTube. That's where we are. The link for YouTube is right behind the Instagram icon on TikTok. There we go. Look at this. Bitcoin is up today 1.69. I will have to say the most precarious stock of all, being Bitcoin, is the one thing that protects my entire portfolio. I have to say that. It's probably the most secure stock of everything, even though it's not a stock. Bitcoin could hit 100,000. Yes, I believe it will. I absolutely believe it will. It's one of those stocks. Stocks. It's not a stock, of course. Investments that I'm just going to leave there. Let's talk about the nat gas shortage in Europe for the winter. Natural gas shortage in Europe for the winter. What do you know? Do you have a link that you can share with me in the live chat, Martin? And if you there you go. I've made you a moderator, Martin. You've been here long enough now. We know each other well enough. If you go into the chat now, you are a moderator. You can post a link, and if you have something you want to share with the group, I will then post it. All right, so there we go. There's Bitcoin doing well today. Let's have a look. McAfee is dropped. I've got a small investment in that, so not too bad. Down 4% right now. Carnival is I've got only 5 shares in that, and we're up very slightly. Pfizer having a good day, up 0.4%. I will look. Be right back. There we go, Martin. You are now a moderator. You're in blue. Harpoon Therapeutics, 35% down. That one. Lucid Group, up 3%. I only have 1 share in that right now. A lot of pain for Lucid yesterday, but I only have 1 share in that. Rolls-Royce today, taking a big drop. One of its biggest, actually, at 2.73. Down now 3%. I'm still up 8% on this. What do we know about Rolls-Royce? What's happening with Rolls-Royce? Taken quite a drop there. I'm up 8% on it, though. Gonna hit 130s. Bitcoin could hit 100,000. Gonna hit 130s. I mean, why do you say that? What gives you that impression? What gives you that impression? Let's have a look. Over the last 3 months, bouncing around. Pull up the MACD for Rolls-Royce, Yahoo Finance. Okay. We could be, we could be in for a bit of a rocky ride, of course. Good morning, John Brunette. Good morning to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for being here. That might be not a bad idea to take some money off the table there. I've made myself a good, handsome profit with Rolls-Royce, but I don't know anything. I don't know why that's going down today. I don't know. So, until I know, I'll leave it. Ford is up today 1%, nearly 1%. That's good. Virgin Galactic down 2%, down 19, down nearly 20% now. My average is 29. It'll rebound, but trending downwards short term. B52 contract will be settled in September. That's good to know. Thank you very much, Cluster. I'm going to share that with everybody. That's a great comment to share. Paddy, hi to you, John. Hello, everybody. Patty is here. Thank you, everybody. If you've just arrived, give us a thumbs up this morning. And if you're watching us for the very first time on the replay, click subscribe and ring the bell. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much for joining us here live in the Day Trader Studio. I hope you're enjoying the show this morning. All sorts going on, as you can see. Let's go back to our trading screen. Virgin Galactic just picking up a little bit again. Walmart down very slightly today. McDonald's down a little bit. Not really an opportunity to buy there. That's a beautiful studio. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Does look pretty cool, right? I have to say that position does look really great. Good morning, Musanella. How are you, Musanella? One of our friends who joined us yesterday. Some of you guys didn't meet this guy. We did an extra special show yesterday. We did an extra special show, the Apple live event, and this gentleman, Musanella, came in for the very first time. And everyone say hello to Musanella. He's a new member of the community. This is my family, so everyone, we've got John Brunette, we've got Martin Redding, Patricia from Italy, we got Clust here as well, we've got Bill from Canada, we've also got Kenneth Brunk is our technical analysis guy. He's not in with us right now, so welcome everybody. Where are you? Just tell the group where you're from, Musanella. Microsoft is up 1.25 today. That's good. Google is down 0.5% at the moment. VTI, Vanguard is up slightly. Disney is up slightly, 0.13. AT&T is doing all right, up today. Tampa, Florida. There we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There's Coke doing well today, up 0.31. Apple is down. My average is 146, so got 10 shares of that. Not looking to get any more of Apple right now, so that's fine. What about 367? Not a big enough drop there. Tesla's down 0.5%. I've got a very big position on Tesla. I don't want to get any bigger position on that. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.34. I'm still holding GSAT. Yeah, I, as you all know, sold out yesterday and bought in. I was just talking about it. Very emotional day yesterday. Very stressful. Learned a lot of lessons. So that's the most important thing. Always learn. Yeah. Everyone, I don't know if you've seen my screenshot. Ah, yes. Musanella, give us a thumbs up on the video. If everyone's give us a thumbs up, let's try and get up to 15, which is our average. Yeah, we did. Was it 30? No, was it 40? Was it 43 likes yesterday for the Apple show? That was our all-time record. 27. And yesterday, 43, we smashed it. So everyone gives a thumbs up. Yeah, let me have a look at Musanella. Musanella actually emailed me, if I'm correct. Did you email me? I think you did. Let me check my emails. Let me have a look. Got an email from Abu Samra. Is that you? Abu Samra, please use this email. Right, is it Abu? Yes, it is. Let me just confirm. Is it Abu Samra? It's your email. I'm just looking at what it is you've got here. This is. Yes, it is. Okay, let me share the screen. This is our friend Abu Samra Musanella. This is his position in Global Star. Is that 16,000 shares you've got in that? Just talk us through that there. Is that 16,000 shares or 8,000 shares? This is his screenshot. I won't show your email on the screen. Abu Samra. Abu Samra. There we go. There is your position there. Just talk us through that. Yeah, you sent me two emails, and here's another one. Bought 9,800 shares at 0.61 and sold it at 0.89. This was CYRN. That doesn't look too good on the screen, so I won't share that email. But the first one, yeah, 8,200 shares. No, 16,000. 8,200 shares. So there we go. Global Star, you're doing very well now because it's continuing to rise. So congratulations to you. Do I feel bad? Yeah, I do. I'm trying to learn to live with that situation. But my day today, I'm down 0.21. And there we go. Global Star doing very, very well now. Amazon is down 1% today now. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.19. Did you find that information, Martin? I think Martin is still looking. I will look. Be right back. He's still looking. Fantastic. All right. Tesla is down slightly today. Facebook is down 1.5%. I have been living in this situation since 2007. Wow. So you're a long-term investor. You really believe in it. I love that. I love that principle. Apple is down 0.5% today. Coke is up 0.22. AT&T 0.64. Disney up 0.1. Vanguard up 0.15. Google is down slightly. Microsoft up 1.16. McDonald's down slightly. Walmart just down slightly. Virgin Galactic down big time today, 2%. That's now getting down 20% to my lowest position again. So there we go. IoT might be huge for them. What does IoT mean? Rolls-Royce down 3%. Lucid Group is up 2.3. Only got one share in that right now. Harpoon Therapeutics down again today. Pfizer up 0.18. ADMA, MMAT, and Sense on my radar for flipping. Global Star, Internet of Things. Oh, Internet of Things might be huge for them. Oh, I see. I understand. Wow, look at it now, folks. Look at it now. Nearly 7%. 7.5%. We're seeing something. Should we expand the chart and have a look at that? This is a great, great opportunity for Muzanella, who's in this right now. There's GSAT right now. Huge buying in this morning. Bit of a sell-off, of course. People made money. They thought, right, let's take some profits. But, yeah, that's really, really pumping right now. 6.76. Really moving high. Fingers crossed. I wish you all the very best. Commiserations to myself. I'm very sad to be out of it, of course, but you know, it is what it is. And I took profits, and well, in fact, I took losses. What am I talking about? It is what it is. There you go. We're watching it. We can't win them all. No, indeed, that's right. That's absolutely correct, and you have to bear these things in mind. Global Star still moving up. We're watching. We're keeping an eye on it for you. Or as they say on The Simpsons, shit up and eat your pine cones. That's funny. I like that. Very, very funny, Martin. John, sorry. We can always rely on John for some great, for some great sense of humour. We appreciate it very much indeed. There we go. Oh man. So today, a lot going on, as you can all see. I'm taking a slightly different position today. As you can see, I'm not actually trading very much. I'm trying to calm down my trades. I've done a lot of trades in the last few days, and I'm just going to calm them down just a little bit. Take a breather, calm down, and you know, it is what it is right now. I believe I saw it in Bloomberg. There we go. All right, so you've shared that with us now. So let me get that link for you. Let me get that link. I'll go over to my studio. Look there. Right, let me get this link while I get it from Martyn Redding. He's given us a link here, and this is what he's looking at. Let me bring it into the show. Here we go. Natural gas. Okay. We can have a look at this. All right, let's do it. Let's share this information with everybody this morning. Here we go. Here is natural gas traders face an uncertain winter. Let's have a look at this.
Anticipated winter weather, COVID-19 uncertainties, and low storage levels combine to present the U.S. natural gas options market with potentially one of its most challenging winters in years. First,
This has just been sent to us by Martyn Redding, and we really appreciate it very much indeed. So here we go.
open interest in the November to March winter contract months has already surpassed 1 million contracts, the highest level seen since 2017, when the U.S. natural gas options market witnessed record average daily volumes. Second, the 180-day at-the-money implied volatility for natural gas is currently running at 60%, compared with 50% for the 30.
Natural gas shortages, obviously that's going to affect a lot of things.
Day implied volatility. To put the current 60% into context, even at the time of the legendary polar vortex of 2014, which had a huge impact on U.S. natural gas prices, 180-day volatility did not move past the 50%
Thank you, Martyn, for sending this. This is very, very interesting.
mark. Third, storage of natural gas in the U.S. has also been trending below the 5-year average. Typically, natural gas should be added to storage during the summer months in order to be withdrawn during the winter season. With less gas in storage, some market observers are nervous that there could be supply constraints should the winter prove to be a severe one.
All right, what do you think about that? What's everyone's opinion and thoughts on that? For me, I'm not an investor in that kind of thing. As you all know, I'm very much pro solar, wind, and so on. I really feel that the environment is in all kinds of problems. Like we're at a critical stage in the history of the world, and the quicker we can get onto renewables, stop all of this stuff. So it's not something that's on my radar, but obviously it is a great concern right now because it is involved in the industry. It is involved in so many things. So it is important to keep an eye on it. But it's not something I invest in. If they, I mean, I would love them to shut down all the gas, the coal, everything tomorrow, and replace it with renewable, recyclable alternatives. I'd be all over that, and I hope that happens. But that's just my thoughts on that. John Brunette says, what we're looking for, we found it. Martyn Redding wanted to talk about that today. What's everyone's thoughts on the gas shortages? What's everyone's opinion on that? Has anyone got any opinions on that at all? Microsoft buying back 60 billion in shares, so I read. 60 billion in shares. Really? Microsoft are buying back 60 billion shares. What, in their own stock are you talking about? Yeah, buying back that, right. So if we got anybody start a conversation there for Martyn, he's interested in that, I would appreciate it very much indeed. All right, let's go over to check in a few of the stocks right now. GSAT See, drop back a little bit. See, imagine how I'd feel if I jumped in, and then this is what happens. Fear of missing out is an awful, awful feeling. Right. My portfolio is recovering a little bit. Right. So where is it recovering? What's picked up? Amazon is still going down. An opportunity to buy some more Amazon right now. Amazon. Yes, but right now Europe runs a lot on natural gas for heating in winter. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It does. We're trying to move away though. England has the biggest wind farm in the world, in the North Sea, on the east coast of England actually, and we're really pushing towards that. And it does. Natural gas is a big part of Europe. You're absolutely right. I'm looking at this, guys, just noticing a huge opportunity here. If you like Amazon, we're dropping. Now, I've got some money ready to buy. I wonder if we could get a deal with Amazon. That's always good. Johnson & Johnson is big enough position. Tesla is a big enough position. Facebook is a big enough position. Apple, a big enough position, really. I would like to... that is very close to an all-time low, though, for me. So I'm looking at Tesla. Sorry, I'm looking at also Google as well. Let's bring these three together. Google, Apple, and Amazon. Let me bring these three tabs together, and like to improve my position in all of these. I bought ENI SPA natural gas play and 6% dividend next week. Europe announced gas shortages for winter. Did you buy it before the announcement or after the announcement? Has it affected your stock price? Let's have a look where Google sits over the week. I will try and find more information. Yeah, thank you very much, Martin. We're looking at Google. Looking at a few things to get into here. This is Google, always good, of course. Pays no dividends. It's just a growth stock. But we are in a little bit of a dip right now. If you want to get in with Google, now is a slightly good time. In a bit of a downturn. 2859, 2848. I could buy a bit more here. Let's have a look at my portfolio and see my buying power. It's 1-1, so I've got $1,000. Like to keep always something in there. Google. So we're dropping today. Maybe buy and change this to dollars. I will buy another $100 worth of Google. There we go. I've just bought a bit more Google. Apple, let's look at it. Great company to be invested in, but we are seeing a bit of a dip right now. Definitely a dip right now. Quite significant. Yeah, down over the month, down over the week. Yeah, good opportunity to buy in here. 146.60. 146, yeah. Opportunity to buy in here. That's moving. Let's see if we can catch a bit of a bargain there. Apple's not too bad. It's Google I need more of, and Amazon I need more of. But let's have a look. Let's have a look at Amazon. Great, but we are seeing this little dip, look. Over the year. Over the 3 months. It's pretty flat over the 3 months. It's not a bad time. A little bit of a downturn there. Yep. Yep. So, 3462. 34. Yeah, it's quite a bit. It's quite a bit. So, buy dollars worth of Amazon. I'll buy $200. Review order. Done. Improve my position here. These are the stocks I just want to keep forever. Make that E. Yes, I bought yesterday morning. It was down yesterday, but up 1.36% today. So overall, up 0.76. Well, that's good. Make that E is up 1.36 today. Nice one. Congratulations, mate. There we go. That's a nice trade, right? Just improved Amazon. Just see, Apple's big enough. It's 3% of my stock. That's okay. Unless I see a big drop there. I've now got in my buying power 800, so I've got another 600 I can invest. Amazon, Apple, and Google. These are the three things I'd like to get more into. Google still dropping. Keep our eye on that. Coke's doing well. I got 35. That's big enough. 4%. So if I can improve on Google a bit more, I'd like to continue growing that. Apple just stabilize a little bit. My position there is reasonable. It's Amazon and Google I'd like to improve on. Keeping an eye on Amazon. That's quite a drop there. Just watching. I'm just watching for a bargain. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking at. I've got plenty of speculative stocks. I'm just trying to shore up my staples, things that I just keep. Oh, there we go. Amazon's picking up now. Apple is still going down. Watching Google. I'll buy another $100. No, I'm just gonna. Yeah. No, I'm going to wait. Going to wait on Google, see if we can get it a bit lower. Amazon. I would like a better position with Amazon, but let's see if we get further drops. Overall portfolio now is moving up. That's good. I feel I've got control of my portfolio again now. I was getting a little bit carried away a couple of days ago. So I feel like we've got a bit more control in it. Calming down. Let's have a little look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing great now. We're nearly at 48. Hello, my friends on TikTok. You can only see my face on TikTok. If you want to see the trading screens, what I'm actually trading on, click the profile, and right behind the Instagram icon is my YouTube link. And if you click that, you will see the trading screens, what I'm actually doing. You'll see my real money, my real stocks, my real position in Bitcoin and so on. And then you can come in into YouTube, and you can talk to our team. We have a wonderful team, technical analysis, people who know all about it. So come on in and share your trades with us. We'll share with you what we're doing. So just click on the profile, find the Instagram icon, click that, and right behind there you will see the YouTube link. Click on that and join us, and you can be part of our community. Right, my portfolio is up. Down 0.11. Let's get the scores today from everybody. I've got to end the show in a couple of minutes' time because I'm going to water aerobics, my daily exercise. So let's get the scores. Today I am down 0.11. How about everybody else? Nice to meet you too, bro. Ramlid, Lumad, I think that is. Hi, Hafiz, Yasan. All of you over there on TikTok, come and join us in YouTube. Be part of it. You can share your links with us, and you can share what you're doing over here on YouTube. The link is in the profile, right behind the Instagram link. Okay, let's get everyone's position. We talked about looking into new stocks once a day last week. That's why I bought E up. Remember, I only bought 30 shares at 25.88. Yes, we are. Me and Kenneth are putting that together about the new stocks. Yes, we are. Martin, I appreciate that. We're working on a format for it, so please bear with us. But we're listening to all of your suggestions and comments about what you want to see on the show. New stocks once a day. Last week, that's why I brought up E. Yes, remember I only bought 30 shares at 25.88. Down 0.37, so I'm down 0.12. Am I the winner today? Am I the winner? I can't be the winner, can I? With all this going on, I'm the winner. Global Star dropped back. It does make me feel better when I see that. Even though I know Martin's in it, and I want it to go up for all of you. It's nice when you feel a bit like, well, okay, I didn't do a bad thing. Anyway. So I'm the winner, it looks like. So I'm going to give myself, I'm down 0.11. There we go. I'll take that win. Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations to me. Yay. That makes me feel a bit better. I'll tell you that for nothing. Can you share WTI signal? If you come over to YouTube, we've got people who will, so just come on in. Global Star, Johnson & Johnson's up, Tesla is down slightly today. Let's go over to SPCE. Moving up now, picking up. Ford is up 1%, guys. Rolls-Royce recovering. Space and Rolls-Royce is killing me. Yeah. Rolls-Royce is down 1.74. I'm still up 9%. Clus thinks it will bounce back. I believe it can only go up, but that's just me. And Virgin Galactic, it is low right now. I have managed over the last few days though to keep lowering my average. It's now down to 29.35. I was at 35, so and I've made some money on the way down and the way up, so not too bad. Harpoon Therapeutics, that's bouncing back a bit. Thank you. Pfizer having a good day, up 1.1. Carnival just down 0.5%. McAfee, I've got an investment in that, not too big, just down very slightly. Bitcoin doing well. And Lucid, what about Lucid today? Up nearly 3%. I've only got one share in that right now, but there we go. Walmart, I bought some Walmart. I think that's going to do good over the holidays. McDonald's is down. I could do with improving my position in McDonald's as well. McDonald's, Apple I think Rolls-Royce will come back and I want to buy in some more, but I'm holding on to cash. Yeah, I mean, that's a good idea. Martin, you're absolutely right. Looking at, there's a couple of things I want to get into, improve my positions on. AT&T doing well at 0.75, good for them. Disney at 0.02. All right, we're going to have to end the show. I've got to get ready to disappear. Thank you ever so much for today. I appreciate you all so much for being here. This family we've got here, it's growing. It's really wonderful. How many likes have we got? We've got 14 likes. If you've watched the show, you're not liked us yet, give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. We're a brand new channel. 6 weeks now we've been doing this. And it's incredible, really, isn't it, guys? But today, not too bad. Slowing things down. Haven't done any day trades. Let my account calm down. And I want to thank everyone today for understanding we were a bit late. In major updates to the whole system in here. And I got many computers that needed to be updated. And I thought it was the best thing to do for the security of everything. So I did that. But anyway, it's now time to leave you. Thank you ever so much indeed. I will be back for the closing bell, of course. And also I'll be back for the drive home show tonight. And we're having a vote right now. We're having a vote on what you want to see for your featured show on Friday. We're having a vote, so if you've not checked that out, let me show you how to do that before I go quickly. If you go on to the Day Trader, we're having a little vote what you want to see on Friday. It's quite fun. Go on to the Day Trader where you are right now, of course. You scroll down and you will find the Martyn Lucas channel here. Here it is. And we have the Community tab. See here, the Community tab. You click on the Community tab. And we're running a poll for this Friday's featured show. Will it be Beatles or will it be Queen? And we have 9 votes right now. So go on there and vote for that and take part in that. It's a bit of fun. You can leave a comment and it's a bit of fun. So go and check that out. All right, that's it for now. I'll leave you all. Thanks for being here, Martin. We are working on the stock of the day information, new stocks. We've got new stocks to look at with Robinhood as well, with the pre-IPOs coming up. There's a couple opportunities as well. We'll be discussing those on tomorrow's show. May even discuss a little bit on today's closing bell. But that's it for now. Thank you ever so much indeed. See you back in a bit. Have a great day. Trade safe. Don't FOMO. Calm down. Relax. Steady growth. That's what this channel's all about. At least that's what it's going to be about. All right. Take care. Bye-bye for now.